Welcome to the creation of an extraordinary dome house, one that looks like it belongs on another planet. From the very first step, a remarkable transformation begins. You'll witness the entire journey, from laying the foundation to the moment the dome finally closes overhead. This isn't just a house, it's a bold vision of future living. If you're ready, let's begin. The process starts with more than just basic groundwork. This is the foundation of a private space that will soon rise into a massive dome home. The team carefully levels the site before covering the ground with a large plastic membrane for waterproofing. While it may seem simple, this step is critical. It forms the backbone of the entire structure. Without a solid and protected foundation, no dome can stand. And this is where the journey truly begins. With the foundation complete, the next step is to raise the very first element of the framework, the core that will define the dome's shape. The team carefully lifts a curved wooden panel and positions it precisely at the center. Since this piece determines the overall geometry of the dome, accuracy is critical. Both the angle and height are measured repeatedly before it is secured to the ground. Working under the open sun, every detail is double-checked until the main spine of the dome is firmly in place. This is the moment when the dome house truly begins to take shape. Once the curved skeleton is standing, one of the most visually striking phases begins. Specially crafted concrete blocks are carefully placed along the curved surface of the dome. Each block locks into position like part of a massive puzzle, gradually revealing the structure's true form. These blocks not only define the dome's appearance, but also add significant strength and stability. Skilled craftsmen climb ladders, applying mortar with precision and sealing the gaps between each block. Step by step, the dome rises, transforming from a skeletal frame into a solid, unified structure. Once the dome's exterior is fully enclosed, attention shifts to shaping the entrance. Wooden supports are installed at the front, and a sturdy scaffold is constructed to bear the weight of the arch structure. This stage is one of the most critical parts of the build, both visually and structurally. The arch forms a perfect circle, clearly defining the main doorway that leads into the heart of the dome. With the entrance taking shape, the interior of the dome is fully revealed. Specially crafted concrete blocks are stacked in precise layers, forming a flawless circular space that enhances the dome's natural acoustics. From the scaffolding above, the team carefully applies mortar across the upper surfaces, sealing every gap between the blocks. This step reinforces the structure while smoothing the interior finish. Ring by ring, the dome connects downward, gradually revealing its true character. As natural light streams through the arched opening, the space transforms into a striking architectural masterpiece, bringing the interior one step closer to completion. And here is the stunning finale. What began as a simple flat floor with a few wooden moldings has been transformed into a strong, elegant, and modern dome house, brimming with character. The interior surfaces are now smooth and inviting. The exterior blocks flow seamlessly, and the arched entrance gives the structure a one-of-a-kind architectural identity. Sunlight pours through the openings, highlighting both the beauty and the structural strength of the dome. This project is more than just building a house. It's a harmonious blend of human skill and nature's enduring forms. Every stage of construction, from start to finish, showcases precision, creativity, and mastery. Now, this dome stands ready as a complete, livable space, the journey from foundation to finish fully realized. Thank you for joining us on this incredible build. Stay tuned for more amazing projects that push the boundaries of design and innovation.